Hi, I'm Ajay Jadhav from AyanWorks. We primarily work into decentralized ID. We are in the process of contributing our project Credible to LFDT. We are a new member. We did implement decentralized ID for national digital IDs for Bhutan and PNG. We're very excited to be a part of LFDT because we're looking for open governance from the LFDT, also looking for growing the community and other integrations with projects like Trust or IP and cryptographic projects. Personally, I have been in the Hyperledger community since 2019, contributing to Aries projects, specifically Aries JavaScript, and now which is Credo on OWF. So in India also, we have a large community built around consuming a lot of open source projects like Fabric and Aries around. But since last few years, we have been contributing as well. So that has been really helpful, where the approach is shifting from not just for consuming open source, but also to contributing to the projects. Yeah. And I myself and Amol, we started the India chapter in 2019. By then, it was a very small community in few cities, but it grew like a wildfire when we identified communities in each city in India, and then slowly it grew together. And it was. We are also launched few national level hyper hack kind of sessions. So it's a very thriving community. We also now have students chapter where students also participate in many community events, and it's really a big community, or like thousands of community members. AyanWorks has been actively participating in the community events. We also reach out to many of the students. We also get involved them in small contributions to Credible and other projects in Aries. We have also been mentoring some of these small projects under Hyperledger Lab. So that's really been helping both the community and the AyanWorks as an organization.